how to do and where to find this viral add your sticker. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this Instagram change story right here. So in English means month of your mom, show your mom who gave you life. So from here we will have to go to our Instagram app, click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. From this place you will have to go to May add yours at highlights, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there, and it's best to go to the highlights. Click on that. If the highlights are not loading, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so make sure to check on that if you have problems by loading the highlights. Now you have to click on the add yours button, and if you're also not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you just have to go to your highlights and choose a photo with your mom. I will go with a random photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share this story with your friends. So guys, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have some problems. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.